Here's the Mindful Man near the river in Bath. So the lights are coming on, it's looking quite nice. Christmas lights. Hope you can hear the river. I'm just going to go on another little walk for my mental health and exercise. I'll film everything as I go. It's a shame it's not frosty to make it look different, but every day's different anyway. Here we go, get my steps in. Nice little boat. Nice leaves. The leaves are definitely coming down now. Getting colder. Let's go on this little section. Lovely leaves. I love these autumn leaves. Up near the rugby ground again. Never been there. May have to go there one day. It's definitely getting colder. Trying to be home by 5 o'clock. I'm not keen on being out in it, not for a while. It's good to get the just change the times when you walk. Just go out walking a bit earlier. It's not that difficult. Lovely autumn glow. Looks nice, like a Constable painting. I feel lucky to be in Bath, really lucky. Try and do this walk every single day. Near the rugby ground. All this path will be changed in a few years. They're going to make it even nicer. Lovely trees. Where's all the birds gone? They've taken off. We'll keep going. Ooh, look at that. Poor Mo, no one's staying there. Never know though. Nice motorbike. I'll zone into this motorbike. Seems I know absolutely nothing about motorbikes whatsoever. That's cool. Yamaha. There's a little boat hanging about. Trees, leaves have gone. Look at that great sized boat, that one. Nice view. Church of Bath Abbey over there. Always different boats. Little spire in the distance. Another great church. Lovely lot, look at that. Nice bus going by. Lovely boat covered in leaves. Different view of the river from here. Look at that, beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this clip. Hope a bus comes past in a minute. If you enjoyed it, please sub me. Look at that beautiful view.